Well, hi guys, Justin here, welcome Farm 26. Kind of lied to you, I said you guys wouldn't see first real farm tractor I really started with, but you can see the hood's leaning there. Well, that's why you aren't going to really see her much. Anyway, welcome to the channel. I'm trying to think what this video's on. It's fuel filters, 4640 and the finish up of the TW. Hope you enjoy. And if that water separator, if he goes to leaking at all, we're gonna pull him and replace that. The rest of him is pretty running on new, so I'd go get him, but I just want to kind of get this done, and you know, one O-ring. If I had any other reason to go, I'd grab an O-ring. Well, he's just so he shrunk. There he be. Grab our filter. Throw the plastic in the pocket, otherwise you know he's going on a trip. Line our bowl out. Filter. Boy, I am glad that I changed that oil on this guy. I don't know if that was right viscosity or not, but you know, it's peace of mind. I don't have to worry about it now. And that's all it is peace of mind. Well, I might as well grab my 2 wrenches and get them opened up. Let's see, this is the 16. There. There's the 11. Man, that still boggles me. Open up some fuel. What we got pumping? Oh, we got flow on its own. This might be a good day. Good day, just gonna send it, right? Yeah, she's going. We got air coming out. Takes about as long to open the valve up as it does to get some fuel coming. There we go. Keep these guys handy. Where's my jug? Still think I'm gonna cheat. Boy, I might have found out why there's one SAE in there. He doesn't feel the most right. He's gonna work, but well, he is a factory looking piece, so I don't know. Pull this one out all the way, make less mess, right? There she goes. Boy, that filled up red quick. Give her a little more. I know these 33 196s, they do take a fair bit of fuel. They're not like the 166s. Isn't this exciting? Day in the life. That 4640, that one's going to be a little quicker. Those glass elements, they're pretty fast. It's one thing I gotta say, Deere, you give them their right places, and they were ahead of the competition. Not gonna say everything they have is just, you know, the greatest, or you know, you can only run green, but there she is. She's dripping out real nice. Boy, that's a little bit tighter to get into too. There's one. Here's the other. I'm gonna have to look at a parts book. I don't know about that guy. I don't know if he's just got a tight spot on him because he got over torqued at some point, or what, but if I can find a thread on him somewhere, that would be nice. Let's see if I still got my 1/2-inch wrench. No, I don't. I gotta go looking. I'll be right back. Okay, we got our 1/2-inch. We can crack this pump. I mean, they might be a little different, but you know, they're all the same. See if our little service pump works. And he's going. Not the fastest guy in the world, but he's going. Probably don't have to pump him. I know that top tank there being full, that's helping us a lot. Those check valves, they get a little bit loose, and sure, when they're running they work, but when you're hand pumping, loose ones take forever. Well, you just don't hand pump. Just be patient. There. See if we give him some throttle, maybe we can start this guy up. And that's what it is. If I'm ever going here, that's a full fuel button. Better than ether at times. Well, let's give it a try. So here we go on to the John Deere. They're just behind this little cover. And if you take and shut your fuel off up front, these filters aren't too bad. They got a little bit of drip, but really you don't need much to do these. Get that guy off. You just give him a tip. He is going to drain a little bit, but it ain't so bad. He can go to the bucket. Takes longer to get him drained in the bucket than anything. Well, that's enough of that. He's not going to spill all over the place. Let's get our next one. There is this Deere fuel pump rod here, kind of in the way of him. There you go. See, very minimal leak. I do have a set of Hastings filters I'm going to put on him. I normally run Wicks, but I used to run all Hastings, and my dealer got bought out. So we switched to Wicks. There, isn't that nice? And I had a couple of these left over, and I had forgotten about them. So we might as well use them up. I mean, they're brand new. And there's nothing wrong with the Hastings. Matter of fact, I kind of liked running the old Hastings. I could get them. I could get more older filters through Hastings than I can through Wicks. And not that Wicks is bad, but you start getting into some of the older stuff that I get into, and they're not as good. I mean, they're a good filter, but they're just not as good as far as supplying a guy with old stuff. When you say, yeah, I got a Minneapolis Moline U special, and they look at you and go, well, what is that? And while we're here, I'm just going to pan you over a little bit. A lot of people don't do this. It's a little filter in here. You just got to thumb screw them down. And actually, when it comes time to time as far as downtime, I've had more hassle from this guy than any other filter. His bowl wasn't bad. There's just a little bit in him. I clean them every year, so I don't have the trouble. There you go. I mean, it's that hard. Takes you a minute. I mean, you're already going to be pulling new fuel through everything anyways, so what's 30 seconds, you know? Or I don't know how long this was. We'll know when we edit. But he don't take much. But yeah, there you go. Other than putting that panel back on and opening up the valve, that's 4640 done, and I'm going to open the valve right now. And that's what I'm doing. He's not hard to get to, but he's not the easiest to get to either. I mean, he's kind of hidden, but not. That's just a matter of pumping until you're full. I might run you up a little closer. Can you see them filters? I don't know if you can see them turning in there or not, but I might just do this. She's not too bad. Actually, as far as a filter change, no matter where you're at, I would say John Deere's, well, this John Deere's got the Ford's beat anyways, in my book. Well, another one, leaving you hanging. Gotta cut some video out. It's getting a little long for me to upload, so well, I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, share me with a friend. You know the drill. We'll get you a nice cold start next. All right, thanks.